Hello viewers, I welcome you all to Calm Sage Mind House Saturdays, your mental health news channel, an initiative by Calm Sage to make mental health news update easily accessible to you so that you can bring important changes in your life and in the world at large. So, are you ready to get your mental health news updates? Starting with the first mental health news update. United for Global Mental Health is organizing the 24-hour March for Mental Health. On October 9, people around the world will be encouraged to participate in this virtual march. A 24-hour live stream will feature people with lived experience, mental health leaders and influencers from the civil society groups already active in 19 countries through the Speak Your Mind campaign. In addition, the global partners are organizing, leading and coordinating work on mental health and hour-long session on specific themes. March will help increase awareness of mental health issues, break down the stigma and bring out policy change. Members of the public will be urged to add their voice and join the march using online filters to be released in the lead up to the event. If you wish to be a part of this movement, which is currently referred as #Move for Mental Health, you can find the link of the same in the description of this video. The new research from the University of South Australia offered good news for all of us, and especially for those who are managing their mental health during these times of uncertainties. The research published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine examined 19 studies that roughly included 1,080 participants across 6 countries. These 6 countries included US, India, Japan, China, Germany and Sweden, where individuals had a formal diagnosis of mental disorders including depression and anxiety. The lead researcher, Brinsley, shared the aim behind the research. As self-isolation escalates and people find themselves working from home and unable to catch up with their friends and family physically, we are likely to see more people feel self-isolated, lonely and disconnected. So to bring relief in the life of everyone amid the pandemic, the research was conducted. But wait, what is the good news here? Well, the findings suggest that movement-based yoga improved symptoms of depression and improved overall mental well-being of an individual, especially for people living with a range of mental health issues including anxiety, post-traumatic disorder and major depression. If you want to boost your mental health and take care of those who are already undergoing some or the other mental health conditions, just roll out your mat and start with yoga. Many studies have time and again shown that inadequate sleep increases the risk for mental and chronic health conditions. A new research from UBC led by health psychologist Nancy Sen added a piece of evidence to this research. They looked at how sleep affects our reaction to both stressful and positive events in daily life. The study found that minor night-to-night fluctuations in sleep duration can have consequences in how people respond to events in the daily lives. Using daily diary data from a national US sample of almost 2,000 people, the study found that sleep duration and response of person on daily life activity are closely related. The study also suggested that when a person sleeps less than their usual amount, they don't have as much of a boost in positive emotions from the positive events happening in their life. So make sure that you are getting your good night's sleep with almost zero fluctuations. Time to abide by sleep routine. Can't stop checking social media for latest COVID-19 health information? Well, you might want to stop it before falling in the trap of doom scrolling. What may start with checking the latest numbers and reading precautions, you may end up drowning in depressing information about not only the world but also about your immediate surroundings. The habit of scrolling to consume this kind of information is what is currently referred as doom scrolling. A research by Penn State and Jinan University discovered that excessive use of social media for COVID-19 health information is related to both depression and secondary trauma. The study included 320 participants living in the urban districts of Wuhan, China. So, my advice to you would be limit your screen time and turn off your notifications to avoid doom scrolling at all costs. Aging is linked with poor mental health, loneliness, and significant health concerns. A study by the University of Bedfordshire, Middlesex University, and Advinia Healthcare demonstrated that robots can help alleviate these. The robots were tested in care homes across the UK, and researchers found that older adults who used them for up to 18 hours across 2 weeks saw a significant improvement in their mental health. The robot called Pepper can move independently and gesture with robotic arms and hands. So here are your key takeaways from these mental health news updates. Be a part of #MoveForMentalHealth and contribute to mental health at global level. Practice movement yoga. Have a proper sleeping routine and abide by it. Unplug yourself from devices and live the present moment. Take care of yourself and those around you, especially the elderly ones. If you like these mental health updates, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And for more such updates and informational content, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. More love and power to you from Calm Sage.